Today we're going to remove the seat belts on a Ford Focus. To be safe, we're going to disconnect the battery and wait 5 minutes. The reason is that some tensioners actually contain an explosive device which goes off during a collision. This keeps you in your seat during a crash. Disconnect the battery. Undo the negative terminal first. Remove this T50 Torx bolt at the base. Remove this upper trim work. Just use a screwdriver to assist you. Remove this upper bolt. This is also a T50 Torx screw. Remove these two screws. Remove this lower section of the trim work. Next, undo this clip. Undo this bolt. It's a Torx T50. And you're done.